Hello friends, today we are going to take some information about geometrical figure circle. This is a dish. This is a bangle. This is a sheet of paper. And this is a sellotape. Friends, all these objects are circular. They have shape of a circle. If we want to draw a circle on the page, we can use this dish and trace a line around a dish. After that, we will get circle. We can also use this round compass for drawing a circle. We can say rounder also. In this way, we can draw a circle with the help of the compass. Now, we will cut this circle with the help of scissors. Now, I have taken this circular shape of paper. Now, I will fold it at one side of the circle. Look here. After folding this paper, I open it again. You can see there is a fold of the paper. I will trace it with the help of pencil. We get this line on the circle. Look, at first I fold this paper, circular paper. I opened it and this line I trace with the help of the pencil. You can see this is a circle and this line in the circle is called chord. This line of the circle is called chord. This is a part of the circle. This is a circle and this line is called chord. If I draw another line in this side, this is also chord. This is also chord. This small line also called chord. It's a part of a circle. This is chord, this is chord, this is chord, and this is also chord. It is a part of a circle. I take another circular shape of paper and now I will fold it in this way. And open this fold. I will trace this fold with the help of pencil and ruler. Because of this line, circle is divided into two same parts. This line is dividing this circle into two equal parts. You can see. This line is called diameter. When we draw a line in the middle of the circle, at that time this line is called diameter. Diameter. And it can also called chord of the circle. In the first circle, we draw these small lines. These are called chord of the circle. And this is the line which we draw in the middle of the circle. It is called diameter. But a diameter is also a chord of the circle. This is chord also and diameter also. And these lines are only chord of the circle. Now I will fold this circle 2 times. 1 and 2. Okay. Now I will open it. There are 4 equal parts of the circle. We can see because of folding 2 times, we get 4 equal parts of the circle. And we can see there are 2 lines. We trace them with the pencil. 1 and another line there is. This is 2. After drawing these 2 lines, we can see the point where both lines meet each other. This point. This is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. We get this center of the circle because of these 2 lines. Now I want to get center of this circle. So again I will fold this circle for 2 times. And after opening it, I will get this point. This is the center of the circle. Now I will name it as a M. I give name to this center, that M. And at the edge of the circle, I will take any point and I will name it N. Okay. So now I will join these both points. This line we can say MN. It is called radius of the circle. In this circle, line MN is the radius of the circle. We will take another circular shape. This is the center of the circle. The name of the center is point A. And at the edge of the circle, I will take any point at any place. Here, this point, I name it B. This is B. And I join these both points with the ruler. So AB is the radius of the circle. It is called radius. Line AB is the radius of the circle. Radius means line which starts from the center of the circle till the edge of the circle. This joining line join from center of the circle till the edge of the circle. If we draw all these lines from center to edge of the circle, all these lines are radius of the circle. Students, today we learn 4 parts of the circle. This is center of the circle. These are chords of the circle. This is diameter of the circle. Middle line of the circle is called diameter. This is diameter. And this is radius. Line which we draw from the center till the edge of the circle. This is called radius of the circle. These are 4 very important parts of the circle.